Top 5 Best Asus Wi-Fi 6 Router. Number 5. Asus AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Router. The AX1800 barely falls into the budget category, but it's an affordable router that offers access to the 802.11ax protocol with its extra speed. We tested the AX1800 in a 2,300 square foot home that posed some structural challenges for the router. It was able to provide excellent short distance speeds on the 2.4 GHz band and good but not impressive speeds on the 5 GHz band. What we really liked was the option to optimize performance for gaming, streaming, or home office use through the Asus dashboard. We optimized for streaming, which gave those devices a boost and prevented lag and the dreaded loading circle of doom. The same dashboard is where you complete the setup process, which is fairly easy. We streamed on several devices and did light online gaming within 12 feet of the router. Speeds were near the top for the available internet package. Security and parental controls were other high points. They're easy to use and let us pick and choose where and when to apply security features. We noticed speed slowing down once we got further away and relied on the 5 GHz band. The tester home, however, has added insulation and a firewall that's posed a challenge for other routers as well. Pros: easy setup, strong security and parental controls, optimize for gaming, streaming, and other uses, optional voice control. Cons: 5 GHz speeds are less impressive. Coming in number 4. Asus AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 Gaming Router. There isn't much the Asus RTA X89X can't do when looking at it from a specification standpoint. When it comes to performance, hold on to your hats. It provides blazing fast speeds and a serious amount of ports, with 8 gigabit ports and 2 10 Gb ports, which are wired ports that can transmit data frames up to a rate of 10 billion bits per second. This thing is a monster in size, and it's sturdy and well made. On the inside, you get access to Wi-Fi 6 technology and everything that comes with it. Where the AX89X really shines is the 5 GHz speeds, which can be upwards of 2,400 megabits per second. This router also offers excellent control over internet use with controls to prioritize gaming or streaming. It has AI protection for security and full parental control features that allow you to monitor time usage and filter apps and web browsing. Overall, it's the speeds and control over your devices that set this router apart. However, it's pricey. And like a few other high-end routers, certain units can sometimes be a little glitchy. Pros: blazing fast speeds, high-quality materials and build, 8 gigabit ports and 2 10 Gb ports, advanced controls and features for just about everything. Cons: expensive, can have connectivity issues. Coming in number 3. Asus ZenWiFi AX6600. The Asus ZenWiFi XT8 may look simple on the outside, but on the inside, each tower is packed with Wi-Fi 6 technology with top speeds and range. We tested the XT8 in a 3,500 square foot house. The XT8 performed beautifully. Throughput, uplink, and downlink speeds matched that provided by the available internet package. Setup is easy, though we wouldn't call it intuitive. We recently tested Netgear routers that use the Orbi app for setup and control, which we found more intuitive. However, the XT8 wasn't difficult, and the accompanying app let us check real-time speeds. The app also showed which devices were connected to which band. The XT8's Game Boost feature kept up speeds even when several users streamed at once. You can also use the app to prioritize specific devices. For example, you can prioritize laptops and devices used for work. Then you can prioritize game consoles and streaming devices when work is over. We also loved the range and coverage. It reached every corner of the house, and Asus claims it can reach up to 5,000 square feet with the router and satellite. The unobtrusive design blends in with home decor rather than standing out as a decorative piece like the Asus Blue Cave. We also appreciated the ports on both the router and the satellite, providing multiple places for a wired connection. The only downside has to be the price. It's expensive, and setup is easy but not intuitive. Pros: fast, consistent speed, easy setup, good range and coverage. Strong security and parental controls. Cons: expensive. Coming in number 2. Asus ROG Rapture Wi-Fi 6AX. The Asus ROG Rapture Wi-Fi 6 GT AX6000 is among the best gaming routers for serious gamers with competing gaming consoles and multiple users. And in many ways, multi-user homes will get the most benefit from the GT AX6000. We tested this router in a 2,700 square foot home, and it lived up to its Republic of Gamers name. Asus's game optimization features are known as their triple-level game acceleration. There are 3 general ways to improve the AX6000's already impressive speeds when gaming. You can prioritize your devices based on hardware and software, which comes in handy when you've got multiple users and gaming systems running at the same time. There's also a Game Boost mode that prioritizes gaming by giving it first dibs on the bandwidth. The triple gaming thread is completed with a VPN feature that connects to the optimal server, even if it's not the closest one. Additionally, this router supports DFS channels, opening additional bands to reduce traffic congestion. We'll admit that gaming was a joy during testing. Speeds were at the top of those available with the internet package and stayed up even when using graphics-heavy games. The range was equally impressive. We set the router up in the front corner of a 2-story house, and the signal reached the furthest edge of the upper story. We also can't talk about this router without mentioning the robust anti-malware and parental controls. The downsides: you have to make room in your home and budget for this one. The AX6000 is huge and expensive. There were also a few times we had connectivity issues. However, they resolved within a few minutes. Pros: reduces congestion with DFS channels. 2 WAN ports with optional aggregation. 3 advanced options to optimize gaming. Strong anti-malware and parental controls. Excellent range. Cons: huge footprint. Expensive. Can have connectivity issues. Coming in number 1. Asus AX6000 Wi-Fi Gaming Router. The Asus RTA X80U is an impressive Wi-Fi 6 router packed with advanced features. Thanks to the 802.11ax protocol, it enhances throughput speeds and quick file transfers. We like that you don't need a degree in computer science to install the router or manage the app and/or web console. Add to that 8 LAN ports to connect everything from printers and laptops to game consoles. You can also set up link aggregation, guest networks, and beamforming. The adaptive quality of service settings can prioritize data usage for streaming, gaming, or web surfing. There are also gaming settings to reduce lag and latency for online gaming. The RTA X80U includes built-in malware protection. However, it also has lifetime ASUS AI protection. Here, you can block malicious sites and set up two-way IPS, along with many other security functions. AI protection is also how you access strong parental controls. These controls let you restrict access to certain sites, block adult content, or limit access to entertainment and media content. The only place the RTA X80U might make you think twice is on the price. It's expensive because it's packed with a host of advanced features. Pros: incredibly fast speeds. Easy installation. Built-in malware protection. Strong QoS settings. 8 LAN ports. Cons: expensive.